Happy 19 months, Olivia. Wow.
Mama.
More? You want more?
Me. Right.
Peas.
Me.
Those are peas. And those are green beans.
Oh.
What did you do today for your birthday? Oh, you went to BSF? Did you bite any children? No. Good girl. What did you do instead? Oh, you clawed children. Not just one, but multiple children. Interesting, Olivia. Okay, say see ya. Bye. Bye, Olivia.
Night.
Night-night. Night-night.
Night.